Hey everybody, I have a quick tip for you today. If you have not already set up Microsoft Clarity, now is the time to do so. If you've ever heard of heat mapping or click tracking or visitor recording, that's exactly what Microsoft Clarity is. Yes, there are paid services like Crazy Egg that offer this sort of service, but Microsoft just released Clarity, which is completely free and offers all of that inside. Once you have Microsoft Clarity all set up, you have what you see right here is a nice dashboard giving you an overview of your stats for the past 3 days. And then as you accumulate more data, you can filter and extend that time range to see different data. Next, you have the recording tab, which literally is a recording of your site visitors' interaction, either desktop, tablet, or mobile devices. And it actually will hide some data. As you'll see, there's some periods and some asterisks, and throughout the places you'll see videos do not actually show in the recordings. Certain private data, like what is filled in forms, is actually not shown in the recordings. So there's some privacy controls there. Here's an example of a page that is utilizing the click tracking, and you can see that we can see where people are clicking, and of course red means hot, so a lot of people are clicking, and it tells you exactly how many. So in this case it was one person, which is why it's hot, and it tells you really what is being effective. Are certain links attracting or certain not attracting? Are images attracting or are images not attracting? Are your comments doing anything? Now, as you'll see here, there is a click and scroll. Scroll is coming soon. That is where we'll know exactly how far down the page people are going or how far they are scrolling. And you'll see there's also PC, tablet, and mobile. You can actually see switching to, are people coming from tablet? Are they coming from mobile to this page? And what are people clicking on mobile or tablet versus desktop? So I strongly recommend installing Microsoft Clarity. Again, it is completely free, at least right now. Check it out today. And if you subscribe to the WordPress Photography Podcast, then you're going to see episode 119, which is coming up in January 2021. We will be talking about Microsoft Clarity and how to use it to improve your photography site's conversion rate.